What if I told you that the key to financial freedom lies not in the accumulation of wealth, but in the mastery of self-control? What if the ancient wisdom of Stoicism could guide us to live within our means and find true contentment? Together, let us explore the principles of Stoic money management and discover how they can empower us to navigate the complexities of our financial lives with resilience and purpose. In a world driven by consumerism and the relentless pursuit of more, we often find ourselves ensnared in a cycle of desire and dissatisfaction. The Stoics offer us a path to liberation, teaching us that true wealth is not measured by what we possess, but by our ability to control our desires and live in accordance with our values. Seneca, the great Stoic philosopher, once said, "Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants." This profound insight invites us to reflect on our relationship with money. The first step in Stoic money management is to recognize that our desires often lead us astray. By cultivating a mindset of sufficiency, we can free ourselves from the burdens of excessive spending and the anxiety that accompanies it. The second principle is to practice mindfulness in our financial decisions. Epictetus taught us that it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. In the realm of money, this means being aware of our impulses and reactions. Before making a purchase, we must ask ourselves, is this a need or a want? By distinguishing between the two, we can make more intentional choices that align with our values. The third principle is to embrace simplicity. The Stoics believe that a simple life is a fulfilling life. By reducing our material possessions and focusing on what truly matters, we can cultivate a sense of peace and contentment. As Marcus Aurelius wisely noted, the happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. When we simplify our lives, we create space for gratitude and appreciation for what we already have. The fourth principle is to engage in regular self-reflection regarding our financial habits. By examining our spending patterns and motivations, we can identify areas for improvement. This practice fosters accountability and growth, allowing us to align our financial choices with our Stoic values. The fifth principle is to cultivate resilience in the face of financial challenges. Life is unpredictable, and we will inevitably encounter setbacks. The Stoics teach us that adversity is an opportunity for growth. As Seneca said, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body." By viewing financial challenges as lessons, we can develop the mental fortitude necessary to navigate them with grace. The sixth principle is to practice gratitude for what we have. In a society that constantly pushes us to want more, it is essential to pause and appreciate our current circumstances. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that, when you arise in the morning, think of the opportunity it is to be alive. By fostering gratitude, we can shift our focus from what we lack to the abundance that already exists in our lives. The seventh principle is to share our resources with others. The Stoics believed in the interconnectedness of humanity. By practicing generosity, we not only enrich the lives of others, but also cultivate a sense of purpose and fulfillment within ourselves. As Seneca wisely noted, "No man is an island." The eighth principle is to embrace the impermanence of material wealth. Life is fleeting, and the Stoics remind us that our possessions are temporary. By acknowledging this truth, we can let go of our attachments and find freedom in simplicity. As we conclude our exploration of Stoic money management, let us remember that true wealth lies not in what we possess, but in our ability to live within our means and cultivate a mindset of gratitude and resilience. By embracing these Stoic principles, we can navigate the complexities of our financial lives with purpose and integrity. If you found value in today's discussion, I encourage you to deepen your understanding of Stoicism by watching my previous video titled 12 Stoic Secrets for Doing Your Best. In that video, we delve into powerful insights that can further empower you on your journey towards self-mastery and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me today. Together, let us continue to unlock the wisdom of Stoicism and strive to live our best lives, not just for ourselves, but for those around us.